What it is, man, y'all know what it is, man. We back here for the final part of the assembly video, and got a lot of stuff done. I want to show you guys some of what I got done on the truck. The repairs are complete. We got everything done on there that we need done. So now it's time for modification and making it look the way I want it to look. So, camera lady, can follow me over here. I'm gonna start with the bumper right here. We got the bumper on. That was around 113. Got that. It's just this chrome piece right here. All right, so I got that, and then I got the air dam right here for like 78 bucks, and that completes the whole front bumper assembly. You already saw the grill in the last video. We got this hood right here from You Pull It. It's like pull apart, junkyard, whatever in your local area. This is off of a Yukon, so I don't know if these are the correct dimensions because we've got some flare out stuff here. The gap is right, but it flares out a little bit here. So this hood could be damaged, or it could just be the wrong dimensions. But let's step over here this side. This side is where the damage was. You can see the gap is still pretty big. So I'm not sure if the hood is messed up, or maybe this needs to be adjusted. But you know, it's gonna take some fine tuning to get that put just right. But that's a hood. That was a $50 hood straight out of You Pull It. You guys already saw the fender. I grabbed this headlight right here from You Pull It as well for 26 bucks. And so yeah, guys, the truck runs mint. I've driven it every day for the past week. It's registered, it's titled, it's got tags, it's got a rebuilt title now. So, you know, the truck was $975, and probably I spent maybe in parts, maybe $300-400 bucks in parts. So this was a hell of a deal, man. It runs really good. I haven't had any issues out of it. So let's get into what we're gonna do to the truck. So first of all, we're gonna get everything painted. All this chrome is gonna be removed. It's gonna be all body color. So this color here, which is silver birch metallic, and I think I'm gonna stick with that color. Everything's gonna be that color. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna get fog lights. And I'm thinking about going with the LED pods to go with it. So we're gonna get LED pods to do with fog lights. We had another mod that was actually supposed to be here this weekend. I'm not gonna say what it was because it still may do it, but just be down the line. But yeah, everybody ain't straight. Everybody don't keep it legit. So missed out on that opportunity. That's what that is. We're gonna get the windshield redone. We're gonna get the windshield. It's got a crack, and then once that's done, we're gonna get the truck tinted with carbon ceramic tint, 20 on the sides and 35 on the windshield. So let's see. What else we got? Of course, we're gonna do rims and tires, leveling kit to lift it up a little bit. I'm trying to think. I got a radio put in there. Well, I put the radio in there. It's wired up for speakers. I just need to get a box for my 12 and put a 12 in there. And that's gonna be it, guys. Probably some tow mirrors and things like that. That's gonna be it. It's gonna be a nice mint daily driver truck. And that's pretty much the plan. And the plan was to get this, do a cheap Copart build to see if I like how the whole process worked, and to get something I can drive daily to kind of let me build those off to the side without having to worry about driving them all the time. So it's worked out perfectly. I've enjoyed the experience rebuilding this truck, so it's been fun. So, that's gonna be it for this, guys. Stay tuned for the next video. We start modifying, but it's gonna be a combination of different videos. It's gonna be videos involving this and the other two cars. So make sure if you guys have done something like this, leave it down in the comments down below. If you like what you see, you want to see more, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it. I'll bet you guys.